In a quiet corner of the Minecraft world, where the sea kisses the sand and the breeze carries the scent of salt and pine, two friends, Steve and Alex, lived by the rhythm of the waves. Mornings meant fishing, laughter, and a bit of competition. Life was simple, peaceful, predictable. They set out like they always did, rods in hand, boats packed, teasing each other like siblings. The sea was calm. The skies, clear. But far below, something had already begun to stir. A strange silence fell over the water. Clouds gathered like a warning. Waves rose without reason. The sea turned violent. One wave, then another. Boats shattered. Voices lost to the wind. And in the chaos, they were pulled under. But this was just the beginning. Something more was awaiting for them.